this video I'm going to show you how to repair a USB connector on your smartphone. As you can see in this example, when I connect the charger to the phone does not charge. When I move the USB cable around, the device starts charging. And not charging. Charging, not charging. Charging, not charging, charging, not charging, charging, not charging, and charging. At first, the USB connector does not show any visual signs of damage of any kind. Now let's move to the microscope to show you how it looks under the microscope. Now here we can see the USB connector under the microscope. Let's take a more detailed look at the back side of the USB connector, where the pins are soldered to the main board. And if we focus a little bit, you will notice that the little pins are not soldered properly. As you can see, this one moves, and this one moves. This one moves, this one moves, and this one moves. And here also a broken solder joint. The complete backside of this USB connector is a broken solder joint. This means that all this solder has cracked and there is no stable contact. I'm taking some industrial flux, which is not even recommended, and I believe it's not healthy either. But at this moment, that's the only one I had by hand. Here I will add some tin, just in case. Here I do not have to. Let's check. The sides. The joints on the sides look good. And this looks good too. Let's look at this once again. I did not do this well. This one I did. This one I did. This one I did. And this one I did not. Botch, botch. Add a little more tin. And check again. Now all the pins are well soldered, and since I'm using an industrial flux, it is very dirty and greasy, and I do not want to leave that on this board. It needs to be cleaned. Now let's get back to normal view and test how this works. I just wanna say, in many cases the USB connector does not have to be replaced. Instead, it's just a broken soldering joint. Now, as you can see, it is charging and does not interrupt the charging when I move the USB cable around. And that was it. You watched how to repair a USB connector. It does not necessarily have to be replaced. And if you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe. If you have questions, post them in comments below, on the website or on social media networks. All the links are in the description of this video. Until next time.